I've chosen example number 3 to illustrate the fact that we can actually also have algebra, we can have fractions, we can have irrational numbers inside our matrices, and multiplication is still a valid operation. We're going to go through exactly the same process. Now the rules have changed, it's just they've become a bit more complicated because algebra and surds have become involved with this one. So as per usual, we're going to match up first row with first column to start. Minus 1 times 4 is minus 4. Square root of 2 times x on 2 is square root of 2x on 2. Of course, I have to add that. That's the first element. We're going to match up first row with second column now. Negative 1 times 1, negative 1. Square root of 2 times negative square root of 2. If you're not sure of that, we can always do it over to the side of the page. Okay, that square root of 2 times negative square root of 2. Positive times a negative is going to be a negative. Square root of 2 times square root of 2 is just going to be 2. Is going to be the result of that. So we're going to have to put a minus 2 in this spot. Go over that again if you're not sure about what's happened there. You can always pause the video and have a look. Next, we're going to match the second row with the first column. Half times 4 is going to be 2. X times x on 2 is going to be x squared on 2. So I'm going to add that. Finally, second row with second column. Half times 1 is a half. X times negative square root of 2 is going to be negative root 2x. Now we can tidy this up, but we're not going to be able to go as far as possible. Looking at these various terms, this one here, negative 1 take away 2, okay, that's going to be able to simplify to minus 3. But these other terms, okay, have unlike terms. This one has an x, that one has a constant and an x squared, constant and an x. They're not really going to be able to be simplified, but we can, I guess we usually tend to put the term with the pronumeral in it first. So this one here, I'd rewrite as root 2x on 2, take away 4. And my second row, I might give myself a little bit more space to work with here. This will probably become an x squared on 2 plus 2. And this one will probably make a negative root 2x plus 1/2. Okay, the order of these terms isn't really important. We're not going to mark you down for that. But it is important that we simplify this minus 1, minus 2 into negative 3. Okay? So that's how we multiply a matrix that involves algebra and surds.